This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Klik a special investigation team kabatokit ya kamu kedema syak penyap Raja Raghuvanshi uba Herbert Bikharngor SPCT ula pentep ba arngut na kisangut ki bakado don keti penyap kata u Akash Rajput bat u anan kurmi kim tre ni pla AA hakmat majistor kuman chukado ba u Akash bat u anan lem u Vishal Singh Chauhan ki don hapadeng ka judicial custody bakhat sausngi nadu kakhat kendai tere u jeliu ar Hajar Husan bat kasuna 4 bat u Raj Singh Kushwaha ki balakado kum kinong sela ba Ahmad ban penyap ya Raja kidan hapadeng ka judicial custody bakhat laisngi ngadu ka arpoi tarik ujeliu ar Hajar Husan kat kum kikendoan hapok ka judicial custody ki basyak ka don keti ki hapan keren bat pla Ahmad magister kat kum ka section chispa an rebusau jong ka Code of Criminal Procedure uba Harvard uloong ba ka jingbam pla jong ki Ahmad magister kam lelei namar ki pulit ki don ya ki sakhi ki sabut ki babiang ban pengat ya ki kum ki badon keti ki basyak ka don keti ki don ka hok ban kentat lani pla Ahmad Magister bat USP upun pau ka jingsnus camp baki don shibun kisabut ban pendong ya kam mukadema ka baklan bat bu jengmut ban pendep ya ki kam baro shwa ban charge sheet hapo khandai pusngi halor kitiar kitar kum kisabut ki bas camp uba Harvard uloong baki dang up ya ki kaipot FSL ban kemi lenti bakin penklan ya kam mukadema
actually we have not sent everyone, 2 of them, but they didn't want to make the statement before the magistrate.
Why they don't want to?
That's the discussion. That is their prerogative. The court has due process also that they were not willing.
So how strong is this case now?
Yeah, we have ample evidence. Yeah, we have ample evidence. Right from the beginning and even till now also, whatever material we have, these are good evidence that we have. We'll wait for the FSL reports and also these will add strength to them.
But since they are not ready to confess in front of magistrate, they confessed only to the police. So how are you planning to move forward?
You see, to police, confession is not admissible. Everybody knows that. But like I've said, material evidence are very important. And it is the right also not to make a confession statement. I mean, not all has been sent except for 2 accused.
Who are those 2?
Akash and Anand. Yeah, only those 2. But then they refuse. So it's not an issue. We still have evidence to prove the case.
So has police started the process of charge sheeting the case?
No. We are still doing a lot of investigation into it. Day by day, our IO is there, special team is there. But nevertheless, all updates are being taken, and once we are ready, we'll charge sheet the case. And like we've said, it will be done within 90 days.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya